Hello my friends, welcome to Pro-Am Strings. I'm Henriette and in this lesson today we are practicing London Bridge, which is exercise 115 on page 33 in your book. And this is just a lovely song to enjoy all the notes that you know on the G string, and we're going to combine them with some notes on the D string. And I'm hoping that by the end of the lesson you'll feel really confident playing all your notes. So I'm going to go slowly and I'll count us in for 4. So would you like to join in playing this with me straight away? 1, 2, 3, 4. Retake the bow. Now you will have noticed a few things about this song. In bar 2 we're playing a 4th finger for the D, so not the open D string but the 4th finger. And then in bar 4 we do the same thing again. Then at the end of bar 4 we retake the bow and we'll play the first note on the D string, because the next note is also on the D string. So an open string at the start of bar 5. Now towards the end the bowing doesn't really work, so we've got the last 2 bars here. If I played a half bow for this quarter note, I'm getting stuck here. I want to play a much longer bow than that. So I'm going to have to play that quarter note with a bit more bow and be very, very gentle on that note. So you want to try and play a long bow on that B at the end in the last bar, so that you create space for the last G. Now in a moment we'll play this song again. And we have said all along you want to try and leave as many fingers down on the string as you possibly can. And we're going to explore that idea a little bit further again today. And when you now play the first bar and you get here, I want you to try and now place all of the fingers on the string when you're going to play the 3rd finger. So instead of just putting the 3rd finger down on the string, you want to play 1, 2 and 3 down on the string. So that is what we're trying to do on this next playing. So we'll keep slow so that you've got lots of time to think about that. 3, 4. All fingers down now. And now you notice your first finger, if you've done it correctly, is still on the string now. Leave everything down. Now everything comes off. But it goes straight back down. All 3 fingers on the string. Here, everything's down again. Can you see that? Now, this is a technique that you may find extremely challenging at this point. And that is okay, because we're here to develop your playing, so I'm challenging you. So give it a little bit of time to mull that over and to keep trying to place your fingers on the string. Eventually that will become second nature and you'll find yourself playing more and more fingers on the string all the time. But it's totally fine if at this stage you really have to think about that and it's not straightforward. So it's just with everything violin playing related, it needs a bit of time. So if you feel that you've learned something today, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Goodbye.